Hello, I'm Kip Hakes. Welcome to this video. Now, it's a bit of a strange one because A, I'm filming on my phone, and B, I'm in the car park of a hospital. And that hospital is the Oaks in Colchester. And it's a private hospital where I've got my pre-op assessment. And basically, they're going to weigh me. They're going to take some blood. I think I've got a wee in a pot. And I think they've just got to make sure I'm generally okay for this surgery that I'm having in a couple of weeks' time. I had similar before when I went for my nerve root block injection, which obviously turned out to be a massive waste of time. But yeah, hopefully this operation won't be a massive waste of time and I'll be okay. But, you know, I've just got to do this little bit of admin first. You know, I think they take my weight, so the anaesthetist doesn't kill me with too much anaesthetic. And I think they make sure that I've got nothing wrong with my blood. Or I think I have to stick a swab down my pants for an MRSA test. You know, it's all fun. But I thought I'd document it and share it with you. Now, obviously, I can't film in the hospital because it's a fucking hospital and that would be ridiculous. So, yeah, I'll share what I can. But I imagine what it's going to be is going to cut back to me in an hour's time, having had everything done, and I can tell you what's happened. So, yeah, whatever happens, I'll see you in a mo. Hello. Well, yes, obviously there's been a bit of a change of scenery. I actually ended up getting a fair bit of bump from the hospital and it just seemed a bit stupid going through it in the car. So I thought I'd do it in the comfort of my studio. Talking of the studio, there won't be a video on Wednesday because basically I tried to record one, and on the first occasion I recorded it without sound, and then on the second occasion the camera crashed right near the end of the recording and I lost the whole thing. So I thought, sod it, I'm not going to do any more recording. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but there will be a brilliant Fix It Friday on Friday, so look forward to that. So anyway, yeah, what happened in my pre-op? Well, basically quite a bit of what I thought would happen. A few things that I didn't expect to happen. So they went through all the medication that I was taking, and it turns out I'm not allowed to take my naproxen for 4 or 5 days before surgery. It can stop your blood from clotting or something like that, and obviously you like blood clotting, especially when you've been cut open, so that's got to be taken off the list. Also, I had an ECG, and I was slightly concerned because the first time she did the ECG, the results were a little bit worrying, but it actually turned out that one of the sticky pads on my very hairy chest wasn't quite making contact, and it gave a slightly erroneous result, but she had to resort to some medical tape to take them down, and all was good, so I had a thoroughly fine ECG. So I'm all ready and clear for surgery, which is good, but I have come away with some rather interesting things. So I've got a guide on preparing for surgery, constipation, and a lady looking quite uncomfortable. So fun. What else do we have here? So we've got some notes on general anaesthetic and sort of how I'm going to feel and what could go wrong, how everything's going to go. I'm not going to read the serious complications bit because I'm already quite nervous about surgery. I'm sure it will be fine. What else do we have notes on? Oh, brilliant. Reducing your risks of developing a blood clot. Lovely. Pain relief after surgery. Give me some of that. I mean, I'm already taking quite a bit of pain relief. What else do we have? Oh, like, I wish there was something like when you'd be able to play Xbox after surgery or anything like this. But no, we've got MRSA, a guide for hospital patients. Yes. Oh, and talking of that, I actually came away with some handy wash. Some Octenisan, which is a decontamination wash lotion, which is delightful. And also some nasal gel for me to stick up my nose. This is all to sort of hopefully stop MRSA from happening. And I've also got this handy guide on how to clean myself, which is great. I mean, that'll come in useful. And yeah, I've got to start that in the run up to surgery. What else have we got? This is so exciting. This is like Christmas, isn't it? It's like the most depressing Christmas ever. What else do we have in the pile of goodies? Will I need a blood transfusion? I mean, I hope not. How exciting. And then monitoring surgical wounds for infections. Lovely. I'm getting more and more excited. Oh, there's something hiding behind here. Oh, okay, this one's slightly more interesting. Iron in your diet. I'll have to read about getting some more iron in my diet. Oh, and finally, we've got a lumbar spine stenosis surgical options booklet. And yeah, it's just basically explaining everything that's going to happen to me. Risks and complications, always fun. Yeah, I mean, you can tell this is a private hospital because everything is printed in colour and everything is photocopied in colour. It's none of this NHS black and white only. No, none of that. It was all pretty simple and straightforward. The nurses and staff were wonderful, and yeah, I mean, apart from some of the scary sounding brochures in there, I am generally looking forward to the surgery because it will be, hopefully, life-changing for all the right reasons. But yeah, the countdown is on now. We've got about 2 weeks to go, so yeah, should be fun. I think I will do some little diaries things from the hospital and stick them up onto YouTube. They obviously won't be as edited and polished and as smart as my normal videos because I will be in hospital, but I think it'll be interesting to document my journey and how I'm feeling and how I'm doing. So yeah, the content will change over the next few weeks, but you know, should be interesting, maybe, hopefully, who knows? Now that's it from me today. I know it's been a bit of a short and strange one, but you know, this is what's happening at the moment. I'm not going to theme parks and having fun. I'm having my back cut open and my nerves played with. So yeah, you get to join in as well. Not with the surgery, that'd be a bit weird. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but for now, it's game over.